Welcome back here to Fox 2 News. In the morning, many Illinois sheriffs are vowing not to enforce the state's new assault weapons ban. They're saying it's unconstitutional. In this morning's Legal Lens, Fox 2's Jeff Bernthal talks with Brown and Crouppen attorney Andrea McNary about whether sheriffs can decide which laws to enforce.
Well, Andrea, I know a lot of sheriffs in Illinois have said that they're just not going to enforce this assault weapons ban. Can they do that?
Technically, no. So sheriffs are charged with enforcing the laws. They don't themselves decide what should be the law or if the law is in itself constitutional. So the legislature, they make the laws and the courts decide what's constitutional. Traditionally, sheriffs take an oath to support and defend the Constitution and the laws as they're made. So essentially, what's happening is sheriffs are disregarding the will of the voters in the state and deciding which laws, in fact, they will protect and use and which ones they will not.
Now, on the other hand, you have the governor of Illinois who has said that, that sheriffs will be removed. Does he have that authority to remove an elected sheriff?
So many states, the authority to remove or suspend a sheriff varies state to state because the power resides with the voters again. So in some states, there are recall procedures that you can recall a sheriff for cause. In some states, you have to wait for them to be up for re-election. But in some states, including Illinois, a governor can suspend an elected county official for specific causes, though it usually does take some type of legislative action. So, we'll have to wait and see how it plays out. But yes, there is a way for that to be done.
And I know there will be challenges to the law itself for sure.
Absolutely. Through the court system. And as we all know, that can take a while for a law to make it all the way up to be challenged, to be found constitutional or non-constitutional.
Andrea McNary from Brown and Crouppen, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Jeff Bernthal, Fox 2 News.